ভাই বলেন জি ভাই ল্যাভেন্ডার কালার হবে 9 কাটার নাই কেন 256 নাই ভাইয়া এই পাশে এসে পড়েন ভাই 21800 ঠিক আছে ক্যাশ করে দিন 21800 দিয়া
Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition. That's the original Coca-Cola logo. The satisfaction of opening it. There are a few little goodies here, stickers. Hey, welcome to Realme family. This is my first Realme phone. Look at the stickers. Cats, Coca-Cola. It's very retro. It's very pop culture. What is this? It must be the warranty card or something. It comes as the shape of the Coke can.
X3 Pro, that's it.
Ah, so sleek. The weight is very good. Apparently it's 108 megapixel cameras, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal drive, right? And what else? That's all. It comes with a protection, cable and charging multi-plug, but it doesn't have any headphones. I think this is the new thing. They started learning it from iPhone, right? Nobody provides headphone, but it's okay. You can get one. Yeah, so I'm getting my new Realme Coca-Cola edition. It's a limited edition phone from Take and Talk in Bosundhara City. It's on the level 4. Level 5, sorry. It's shop 2021 at the very corner. So you turn left and keep on going right at the very end. I recommend all to get this phone. This is very classy. I'm very happy. Thank you.